Hello, my country people. Oh, chai, now wa. You to them when no get joy, don't set Desmond Elliot house on fire. Oh, the same this evening. In fact, they say this thing just happened in over 2 days. Allegedly, allegedly, because why they say you to them when be say they no get joy, where they vex for Desmond Elliot because of waiting im tok concerning nigerian youth and wetin go happen to nigeria if e be say dem no stop social media or if dem no stop to dey talk anyhow, all this hate speech. Maybe una know na anti-law for anti-social media law na dis Desmond Elliot dey propose o, say even call the nigerian youth dem, say dem be children, say the way dem take dey cause elders for social media don too much. Say if government no do anything concerning this whole matter in the next 5 years, hey, say nigeria no go exist again. Say like seriously, make una see bridge wey be say Desmond Elliot build for in constituency. See the patakpo wood, all those things just dey pain people, dey paranoid people anyhow. The ones wey be say you do for ground, they never tidy your matter finish. You come dey open your mouth dey say make people no talk again for social media, make dem make law wey be say e go sew everybody mouth like razor blade, swam so tey nobody go fit open mouth talk again because of say na you be the first to be politicians. No be so. See the wood wey take do bridge for im constituency, and e go tell dem say na billions of naira na im take do this bridge for dem, this patakpo bridge. For my video wey be say I go link for this description box for this video, I go una go check that video. Na video wey be say dem show where Desmond Elliot new place, where the guest house wey be say dey go kerewa babes dem, guest house wey be say im dey go kerewa babes. You know how much e dey pay the owner of that guest house every month? 12 million naira. This news wey be say I dey give una, so that news no be say the blog wey be say carry that particular news na blog wey be say e no dey carry fake news. This Desmond Elliot, so the money wey be say dem give am for im constituency, 12 million naira na e dey comot every month. Dey go pay for guest house where be say e dey kerewa all those inside chick. I go link the video for this my description box, make una go watch am. Una go see the pikin wey be say im don even born, the secret pikin wey be say im go hide for corner, e dey for that video. See wood wey be say e take build. If Desmond Elliot tell una the amount wey be say federal government allocate for this plywood now wey be say e take do this Adigboroja bridge, so una go surprise. Na the thing wey be say dem dey take our money dey do be that. When dem don see all this kind money, big money, dem no dey know themselves again. Dem no dey, that is, they go just full of themselves. Dem no go know wetin dem dey do again. Desmond Elliot don overnight they just forget say na this same youth dem na dem vote am in. Na this same social media na im make am popular. Im fan base now, as I dey tell una so, Desmond Elliot fan base don drop. As of yesterday when we check, Desmond Elliot was 1.2 million followers for Twitter. As I dey tell una now, na 800 as of yesterday when I check. I never know of now. Rena Omokri, the former presidential aide to Goodluck Jonathan, he don do hashtag challenge for unfollow Desmond Elliot because of this same thing when he do. Now youth they don vex, now don carry matches go light fire for im house. Now according to report, dem say dem burn the house. Dem burn the house. Only Desmond Elliot just make himself target People just dey their own jejeje, where you go just dey enjoy your life as if people dey enjoy the life. So you say the money don belleful you say tey you no see anything wey be say you go do na to come social media. You no know say people wey be say dey hungry full the social media, wey be say person wey be say eat belleful, person like you eat belleful, and person when him hungry dey catch, dem no be friend. Poor man and rich man no be friend o. Person when e chop belleful and person when e dey hungry, dem be two different human being. Dem no dey speak the same language at all. Na im be wetin dey happen to you now. You dey come, you dey cry, you dey beg say make dem forgive you. That is why dem say make person mind the way im dey talk o, because words are very very powerful. People now don dey talk say Desmond Elliot, only you don use your hand scatter your career. This is too early for you to scatter your career. If e be say you no know how to talk, why not go look for speaker? Just as Buhari get somebody, Femi Adesina, wey be say na im dey help am dey talk. Even Lai Mohammed, that one dey help am dey lie. Why you no go find somebody wey be say before you go make public speech, dem go write wetin you go talk. Dem go write am for you. When dem write am finish for you, you go come dey look and dey read, dey write, dey talk. So that you no go talk the one wey be say go land you for big wahala. This word wey be say you talk now, dem no know as dem go take clean am. No amount of cry wey be say you go cry now, wey be say you go fit wipe that memory wey be say you don already send, because Nigeria youth, they are not happy at all for wetin dey go on. They are not happy. They are not happy. Instead of you to even talk the matter of the one when e dey ground, wey be say everybody blood dey hot, say dem kpai a lot of innocent youth, you no talk that one wey be say you to go even say okay, we get somebody wey be say dey represent us. E no dey. Your own na wetin concern you na the Oba palace wey be say dem loot. Meanwhile koro things dey inside that house wey be say Oba suppose to give to im people. E carry am go store inside house. If na in those days, all those youth wey you dey see so, dem no go even fit touch that staff of office wey dem say dem collect. Dem no go fit touch the staff of office. So Desmond Elliot, anything wey you see for this matter, na you sabi, because your matter now, people don dey tidy up your matter. The whole social media now, everybody don dey do all sort of things. Different story now don dey come up about you. So now you know, my people, I just say make I bring this matter na wey be say I see this thing. They say they don set im house on fire, so im house dey catch fire now. This allegedly be say it has not been confirmed. Now no say anything for social media dey get as e dey be. Na the truth be that. And we vloggers, once we see all this kind of thing, person like me, I dey carry am, go come touch light am for my channel. So this news is allegedly. Allegedly mean be say dem say we never really confirm am.